comes to electric SUVs, the competition is fierce. BYD's all-new Sealion 7 and Tesla's refreshed Model Y Juniper are vying for dominance in the rapidly evolving EV market. Let's dive into how these two electric SUVs stack up against each other in terms of design, performance, interior features, and pricing. BYD Sealion 7. A stylish and practical contender. A coupe-inspired design. The BYD Sealion 7 takes a bold step forward from its sibling, the Sealion 6. Sporting a sleeker, coupe-like profile, the Sealion 7 offers a balance of style and practicality. Unlike many coupe SUVs, its roofline doesn't dive dramatically at the rear, ensuring ample headroom and a spacious interior. Premium exterior features. From 20-inch alloy wheels to flush-fitting door handles, the Sealion 7 exudes sophistication. Its sleek aesthetics are complemented by a sporty yet refined vibe, making it stand out on the road. Electrifying performance. Under the hood, the Sealion 7 boasts an impressive 390 kilowatts output, promising thrilling acceleration and performance. It's expected to hit Australian showrooms in February 2025, adding another competitor to the electric SUV market. Competitive pricing. The Sealion 7 starts at €47,990 for the single-motor comfort model in Europe, equivalent to $78,000. The top-spec Excellence AWD trim is priced at €58,990. These prices position it as a premium offering compared to the more affordable Sealion 6 DMI. Inside the BYD Sealion 7. A spacious cabin. BYD focuses on comfort and practicality with adjustable sports seats upholstered in artificial leather for base models and Nappa leather for the top trims. Heated and ventilated options are standard, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. Advanced infotainment. The Sealion 7 is equipped with a 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system that rotates between landscape and portrait orientations. Powered by a Qualcomm 8155 chipset, the system offers quick response times and sleek graphics, making navigation and multimedia experiences seamless. User-friendly controls. Physical buttons for driving modes, volume control, and startup functions ensure ease of use. A crystal-style drive selector adds a touch of luxury without being overly flashy. Tesla Model Y Juniper. A refreshed icon. Subtle yet effective design updates. Tesla's Model Y Juniper has undergone a much-needed refresh. The front bumper now features smoother contours, while sleeker headlamps integrate into a new light bar across the hood. At the rear, a full-width red taillight enhances its visual appeal. Interior upgrades for comfort and functionality. Tesla has made significant strides in improving the Model Y's cabin. Ventilated front seats for added comfort. A redesigned steering wheel with traditional stalks for turn signals, catering to user feedback. A new rear seat display for passenger entertainment and climate controls. The material quality and sound insulation have also been improved, aligning with the upgrades seen in the refreshed Model 3. Performance and pricing. BYD Sealion 7. With 390 kilowatts output, the Sealion 7 offers thrilling performance, whether you're commuting or hitting the Autobahn. Its German price tags translate to a higher starting price compared to the Sealion 6, but its premium features justify the cost. Tesla Model Y Juniper. While Tesla hasn't released detailed specs for the updated Model Y in North America, the Chinese version does not include the performance trim, which remains popular elsewhere. Starting at $44,630 in the US, it continues to be a competitively priced option in the electric SUV market. Choosing the right electric SUV. Both the BYD Sealion 7 and Tesla Model Y Juniper are impressive contenders in the electric SUV space, each catering to different preferences. Choose the Sealion 7 if you prioritize cutting-edge infotainment, premium materials, and sporty design. Opt for the Model Y Juniper if you value Tesla's proven track record, minimalist interior design, and competitive pricing. With both models offering exciting features and advancements, the choice ultimately depends on your personal priorities and budget. The battle for the throne of electric SUVs is heating up, and both contenders are worthy challengers. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.